What's up guys, my name is Mike with MrMclights, and today we're going to clean up this mess. So we're starting out with our grounding bus bar. As you can see, this grounding bus bar is way too small for all these grounds. It was also cracked and super oxidized. Grounds are some of the most important parts of a boat, so always make sure you have a great grounding system with a good ground path. Let's get started by just cutting off all the ends of these connectors, putting on all fresh connectors, and mounting that new grounding bus bar. Now you might not be able to tell, but this area to work is extremely difficult. It is located right under the helm of the boat, and it only allows for about a 1-foot space for me to slide my body in and look down at the wires while I'm working. We're going to start to put these heat shrink connectors on, crimping them on, and heat shrinking them on. Heat shrinks are super important. I tell everyone this. Don't cheap out when it comes to the connectors. Always spend the money on connectors. Heat shrinks will save you later on in life. It'll stop a wire from being pulled out. It'll stop a problem later on. Okay, now we're going to start securing our grounds to our grounding bus bar and throw some zip ties on them. As you can see, right below where I'm working, we still have a huge snake nest of wires that we're going to have to go through, and we're going to be handling that next here, just as soon as I finish up this grounding. So now we're going to start cleaning up the inside here. You're going to see that I'm pulling out the NEMA 2000 network connections and any old wires that are just dangling around. Once I've pulled out most of the old wires that aren't doing anything, I'm going to start to basically zip tie along cables that should be going together into one general area. Now I'm going to get you a better angle so you can kind of see here what I'm talking about. Basically, the fuse panel right there, the grounding bus bar broke off the top of it, so we're going to be replacing that as well. I'm just kind of kneeing up all these wires and getting them out of the way before we start that process. And I don't think I have a video of that process, so I just have a before and after photo to show you. So we're all done with the cleanup basically, and this is what it comes out to look like after everything is all done. Just to reference, this is what it used to look like. I mean, what a difference. We went from a complete snake nest back to this, which is just completely beautiful. And of course, we also replaced that NEMA 2000 network connection from going from something like this, which is all bent, to something that's mounted and a solid backbone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that like button for me, and also leave a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, guys, and remember to share the water with everyone.